Students, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the art of writing a comparative essay. Whether you're comparing two books, theories, or historical events, we've got you covered. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our helpful study tips and guides. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a comparative essay? A comparative essay is a type of academic writing where you analyze the similarities and differences between two subjects. It helps you develop critical thinking skills and enhances your ability to articulate your thoughts clearly. Choosing your subjects. It's crucial to pick two subjects that have enough in common to be compared but also have significant differences. For example, you could compare two novels by the same author, two political theories, or two historical events. Next, develop a strong thesis statement. Your thesis should clearly state the main point of your essay and guide your comparisons. For instance, if you're comparing two characters from different novels, your thesis might focus on how their journeys reflect different themes of resilience. Now, let's talk about structure. There are two main ways to structure a comparative essay: the block method and the point-by-point method. In the block method, you discuss all aspects of subject A and then all aspects of subject B. In the point-by-point method, you alternate between subjects for each point of comparison. Both methods are effective, so choose the one that best suits your essay. Your introduction should provide some background on the subjects you are comparing and present your thesis statement. Hook your readers with an interesting fact or a thought-provoking question related to your topics. In the body paragraphs, present your comparisons and contrasts. Each paragraph should focus on a single point of comparison. Start with a topic sentence that introduces the point, followed by evidence and analysis. Remember to use transition words to guide your readers through your arguments. Finally, write a strong conclusion. Summarize the main points of your essay and restate your thesis in a new light. Highlight the significance of your comparisons and leave your readers with a final thought. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips. Make sure to proofread your essay for grammar and clarity. Use comparative words like similarly, on the other hand, and in contrast to enhance your comparisons. And most importantly, stay organized and stick to your thesis throughout your essay. That's it for today's video on writing a comparative essay. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!